Hello, audiophiles of the internet, and welcome back once again to Audio 46, your headphone destination. My name is Franco, and today I am super excited to be talking to you about the new Noble Audio FALCON Pro. The previous version of this model was a top seller for us, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this new update right now. Let's talk headphones. First off, let's take a look at the presentation. The box starts off with a great impression right away with this really regal-looking deep blue color. These have a photo on the front, and your specs are conveniently listed here on the back. When you open up the box, you'll see the manual on top, and underneath are a few slots that hold the goods. On the bottom, there's the small paper box, which admittedly was somewhat hard to get out because it is very snugly fit in there. Stored in here are a drawstring pouch, your Type-C charging cable, and 2 pairs of ear tips. Above this is the charging case, which of course contains the units themselves. On the design front, these have retained the color scheme of the charging case, with a dark gray-black color for the main husk, followed by an accent of deep blue on the outside. The housings are made of plastic and feel pretty similar to most other true wireless earbuds, but they have a good amount of integrity to them and they feel very solid. This simplicity carries over to the slick-looking Noble etching on the side, complete with subtle crown logo, which I think is a great touch. The charging case is a little thick, but the overall profile of it is very small and very low-key, so it's nice and portable. This probably fits in the pocket the best out of any true wireless charging case that I have seen, which is a great quality for this model since it is aiming to be at the top of this field. In terms of fit, the first difference you can spot in this Pro version of the FALCON is a slight adjustment to the shape of the housing. These are a bit more angular and less round than the previous version. As a result, they sit a lot more naturally in the ear, and they're very snug and very secure. These felt like they went pretty deep into my ear canal personally. It wasn't quite uncomfortable, but it was just on the border, any more so, and it probably would have been. This is obviously a very personal thing, so it may not apply to everyone, but it was just something that I felt worth noting here. It's clear just from taking a look at the price and the specifications on this unit that Noble has very high ambitions when it comes to how much quality they seek to deliver in this true wireless unit. The FALCON Pro employs a hybrid driver system. There is a 6mm titanium-coated tri-layer system to handle the bass and sub-bass, and the mids and highs are produced by 2 Knowles balanced armature drivers. The FALCON Pro is also unique in that it boasts a brand new proprietary tuning performed by company founder and self-proclaimed audio wizard John Moulton, who very impressively has a doctorate degree in the field of audiology. Yes, that's a real thing. The amount of internal engineering and design inside this tiny true wireless unit is quite astounding, and it's a huge credit to Noble that they've put the time, care, and innovation into contributing the latest to this already congested field of gear. Like many true other wireless earbuds you can find these days, these feature touch controls on the outer side of the earbud. You can answer calls, control playback, and activate your voice assistant with a combination of single, double, and triple taps on either earbud, which is all outlined in your manual. The controls are adequate, not amazing in terms of their functionality, but they get the job done. I did find that you have to press pretty hard on the side of the earbud to get the controls to register, so you either have to hold your ear while you do it or take one out to use the controls, which kind of negates the purpose. Otherwise, you're going to be just jamming it into your ear canal, which is uncomfortable. That being said, the controls do activate very quickly when the touch does register, so there's very little lag on that end. For wireless here, these feature a Qualcomm QCC3040 chip that supports Bluetooth 5.2 with SBC, AAC, and aptX adaptive codecs. These paired really quickly and effortlessly, they supported a nice range, and the resolution is very clear. According to Noble, the FALCON Pro will allow for up to 5.5 hours of music playback if your music is at full volume, and up to 10 hours if your music is at 70% volume. I personally had them on for pretty much a whole workday, alternating between volumes that were all pretty modest and pretty medium, and they lasted the whole time. It seems safe to say here that these are pretty in the middle of the road when it comes to battery life. They're not going to have the gargantuan endurance of the EVA 2020 from Final Audio, but they're also not going to leave you out to dry if you have to take them on a commute. I will say right off the bat that I always try to keep my expectations pretty tightly reined in when it comes to how well the Soundstage can perform in a true wireless earbud. However, one of the biggest surprises of this unit was just how wide and spacious the stage was. Whether streaming from a service like Spotify or playing high-res files directly off of my phone, the image is immediately clear and apparent, and there was a great sense of spatial resonance. These also project really well. You can get a lot of volume out of these guys. At the top end, the space does seem to contract ever so slightly, but the layering and depth remain superb, and these feel way less boxed in than many other true wireless earbuds do. Now on to the sound quality. It is very apparent that the low end here is not going to be the belle of the ball, but there is enough power and presence to give your track a good amount of body. Tracks with a bit more low-mid resonance and sub-bass will benefit the most, as these do tend to be picked up and brought out pretty well here. As you might imagine, a lot of attention has been paid to the mids here, and this really shows with the FALCON Pro. Mid-range frequencies have all the crispness and clearness that you could possibly want out of these earbuds. The response is full and powerful while still maintaining that great sense of openness and spaciousness that I just mentioned before, and this is a real treat overall here. Whether it's hard rock guitars, a piano ballad, or your favorite folk singer, these are all going to sound really superb here. On the other end of the spectrum here, the high end is probably where most opinions are going to diverge. There is a definite emphasis on brightness and color in this area, and it just may cross the line for some people. This will be really track dependent, as some recordings have just the right amount of sizzle and sparkle to round out the range really nicely, while others will take on a bit too much sibilance that can overshadow the great amount of detail. The bottom line here is that these are excellent and really do justify their high price, as they have a lot of great sophisticated engineering on the inside, and they just sound really, really nice. If you're looking at the Noble Audio Falcon Pro and you're considering picking these up, then the most important thing to determine is knowing what you're going to be listening to, so that you can accurately determine if these particular true wireless earbuds will best serve your material. Alright guys, so what do you think of these? Will you be picking this up? Have you already placed your order? Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video from our channel. Be sure also to follow us over on Instagram at Audio46, and check out our new contest we're having to win 500 free reward points. If you always want to make sure you're up to date on the best sales and deals for your favorite gear, then make sure you go on over to audio46.com, check out our blogs and reviews, and sign up for our mailing list. Lastly, if you happen to be in New York City anytime soon, then please feel free to drop into our brick and mortar store on 46th Street. We take your safety very seriously, and you can come try out all of our gear for yourself. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Franco with Audio46, and I will see you all very soon.